Ko Miss Hengihengi a Tonga, Seini Kengike ilai sane tui pulotu Kengike. As the sun sets over our western horizon, the silhouette of the breaching humpback whale appears. How privileged we are that the beautiful waters of Tonga have been chosen by the Tofua'a to breed, give birth and nurture their calves. Tonight, Miss Hengihengi of Tonga pays tribute to the beauty and grace of these majestic giants of the ocean and sends an environmental message to us all. She believes it is Tonga's responsibility to care and protect our waters, allowing the humpback whales to breed and birth freely without harassment. This is their time. This is their place. Miss Hengihengi of Tonga's Lava Lava is made from 100% pure cotton and hand-painted right here in the Kingdom of Tonga by local artists. It depicts the burning western sun and the silhouette of a majestic humpback whale. The wrap is designed to be attractive, comfortable, yet practical. After a refreshing swim in the lagoon, Miss Hengihengi a Tonga simply uses her lava lava as a towel to cover up on shore. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Hengihengi a Tonga, Seini Kengike ilai sane tui pulotu Kengike. She is our final contestant for the second judging event, 23 years of age, from New Toa, Maufanga and Homa, residing in Gafoa. Koe lava lele ia a whiauhi whikaua o e whiawhini I he teunga matatahi o e whanau whiwhine.
Miss Hengihengi a Tonga. Miss Seini Kengike ilai sane tui pulotu Kengike. Katake mo paspasi vai Miss Hengihengi a Tonga. The Tongan people are known for their numerous skills in craftsmanship, and among them are tapa painting and weaving. The Tongan tapa painting and their printed signature, known as the kupesi, is one of the main features of my island creation dress. The precise design of the kupesi symbolizes respect in the Tongan four core values, as it is inherited down from generation to generation. The manurua, Tongarau Whenetoa, and Awa Mokofe are the main old kupesi used in the dress. It is still used now in both traditional and contemporary purposes, highlight how the later generation respect their ancestors. The woven coconut husk and fowl that runs around the dress symbolizes the other three of the four core values: sharing, humility, and royalty. These core values bind the harmony of any Tongan community. The one-arm shoulder symbolizes the trend of how Western culture influences our culture, and as for the white part of the dress, symbolizes purity and royalty, as Tonga is a monarchical kingdom. Thus, the hierarchical caste of our tu'i, Ho'eki, Kakai is symbolized by the free part of the dress: formal, semi-formal, and informal dress code. Creating handmade by a local artist, a specific design fused with Western inspiration. Malo Bito, Ofalahiatu, may have Miss Hengihengi a Tonga. Seini Kengike ilai sane tui pulotu Kengike. Rego ia leo to mea mai kai o hopo atu I he leho Britania ko e teua koe ni o Miss Hengihengi a Tonga. Seini Kengike ilai sane tui pulotu Kengike. Te whafonga I aianga po e whototu Mayo no aho, ang way daw no for daw for one.